Hello friends, this is Dr. Rahul Shah, a maxillofacial surgeon from India. Today I'll be covering the topic the use of navigation in orthognathic surgery. This is a case of a cleft patient. Patient had a severe negative overjet. A complete digital planning was carried out in which a digitally prepared surgical stent was made, which was then 3D printed for the use of surgery. But this is a very routine procedure. Imagine a situation where a surgeon has a tool where he could use navigation while performing what the surgeon has planned. This is also a 3D printed stereolithographic model which was used to carry out a mock surgery like the analog method. But here, specially, navigation was used. Tracing was carried out using the TAP protocol, that is trace and place protocol. An accuracy check was done to see the exact accuracy of the tracing. This is a video showing while I was doing my osteotomy, the saw blade was navigated during the entire surgery. Previously, with the older software, there was just a provision of the point of the instrument which could be navigated, which was very useful. But with the new technology in which there is a saw mode in the 3.0 Navident software, as you all can see, there is navigation not only for the tip but also for the angle in all the three axes, the depth, making this surgery a very predictable procedure. In this particular case, the osteotomies were planned just anterior to the mental foramen, making sure to avoid any injury to the inferior alveolar nerve bundle. Navigation here gives a confidence to the surgeon on where exactly the instrument is cutting during the procedure. This machine being a very portable machine, I carry it to different operation theaters in different hospitals where I consult. Because of the trace protocol, there is no need of taking a navigation with any fiducials in the mouth. Any CBCT or a CT scan can be used for planning and executing of these surgeries. There are many parameters, as you can see on the screen, which guide a surgeon when the osteotomies are being performed. Navident is a very versatile product. We can use a piezo, our regular micromotor handpiece, an air rotor handpiece, any hand instrument if the handpiece tracker can be fixed onto it firmly. I would say the limitation of the use of Navident currently is up to the imagination of the surgeon on how to use it in various indications. In the post-op photographs, we can appreciate the extraction of the premolar and the osteotomy anterior to the nerve bundle without injuring the nerve bundle. The surgical stent was used to do the plating in the desired manner. The approximation of bone is very accurate. This is how the patient had a correction of negative overjet. This is the pre and post op comparison of occlusion. Thank you.